Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and when you turn it on, you're getting an error F38 and you're wondering, what is this error and can I get rid of it? So to start with, the F38 is some kind of anomaly in the electronics that the dryer is detecting. And because it's not localized anywhere, there's not an easy thing that you can go to check and try to fix. You're probably going to need to call a technician. But before you call a technician and spend that money and spend that time and everything like that and have your dryer not working for you, you can try one thing that might clear this error out. And that is just like a computer that's acting up and you're not really sure what's going on. Sometimes just doing a hard reset on it will clear out the error. So to do a hard reset on it, all you need to do on the dryer, all you need to do is turn it off. And then you want to unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired, you can just turn it off at the circuit and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. Once that minute is up, then you can return power to it and turn it on and see if you can run a dry cycle without the error coming back. And like I said, if it does come back, you'll probably need to call a technician, but hopefully that will clear it out. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.